In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AI not working error in Notion in 2026. If Notion AI is not responding, not loading, or giving you an error message when you try to use it, this step-by-step guide will help you get it working again quickly. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video if it helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you should try is a simple refresh and retry. Sometimes, Notion AI fails due to a temporary connection issue or a browser glitch. Refresh the Notion page you're working on, wait a few seconds, and then try using Notion AI again. If you're on the desktop app, fully close the app and reopen it. This alone fixes the problem for many users, so don't skip this step. Next, you want to check whether you actually have access to Notion AI. Go to your Notion settings, then click on Plans or Billing, and confirm that Notion AI is enabled for your workspace. If you're using Notion through a team or company workspace, your admin may need to enable AI access for your account. If AI is not included in your plan or temporarily disabled, it won't work no matter what you do on the page itself. Now let's talk about your prompt. If Notion AI is not working or gets stuck loading, try shortening your prompt. Very long or complex prompts can sometimes fail, especially if there's a temporary server issue. Start with a short and simple request, like asking it to summarize a paragraph or generate a short list. Once you confirm that AI is responding, you can slowly increase the complexity of your prompts. This was an easy fix that many people overlook. The next step is to log out and log back into Notion. This helps refresh your session and clears account-level issues that might be blocking AI. Click on your profile, log out completely, then log back in using your email or single sign-on method. After logging back in, open a page and try using Notion AI again. This step is especially helpful if Notion AI was working before and suddenly stopped. Another important thing to check is Notion's system status. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. Go to the official Notion status page and check if there are any ongoing outages or degraded performance related to Notion AI. If AI services are down, the only solution is to wait until Notion resolves the issue. Knowing this can save you a lot of time and frustration. Next, try using Notion AI on a different page or block. Open a brand new page in Notion and attempt to activate AI there. You can also try adding a new text block and using the / command or spacebar shortcut to trigger AI. If it works on a new page but not the original one, the issue may be related to that specific page or block content. Finally, if you're still having trouble, consider switching browsers or updating the Notion app. An outdated app version or browser extension conflict can sometimes prevent Notion AI from loading properly. Disable extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, and test again. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the AI not working error in Notion. And that's it. You now know how to fix Notion AI not working in 2026, using simple and effective steps. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, AI tutorials, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.